Guys, so we're going to be reviewing a few information we've learned about geography. So one of the things we want to talk about is that, of course, we live on the continent of North America and we are connected to South America. Now, we are located on the Western Hemisphere. If you think about a compass rose, never eat soggy waffles, north, east, southwest. If we take a map of the whole earth, a globe, and we cut it in half, you have the eastern hemisphere and then the western hemisphere. And then if you cut it in half this way, we are in the northern hemisphere, and there's also a southern hemisphere. So let's take a look at closer at North America. So here we have the Western Hemisphere. Remember that we talked about the countries in the Western Hemisphere. One of the countries is Canada. Canada is north of the United States. This is the United States, and you can see all the states being highlighted. So Canada, United States, and who's right below? You guessed right, Mexico. So these are the three countries that we've been talking about. Um, and we know that the United States has two different states that are not touching the United States. They do not border, they are located outside the United States. One of the outside states is Alaska. Alaska is located next to Canada, which is why Alaska has very cold temperatures. And then these tiny, tiny islands right here towards the west of the United States are Hawaii. Hawaii has a chain of islands, meaning many different small islands put together. And then right below here is our beautiful South America, which is another continent. So we have the continent of North America, and then we have the continent of South America. Let's take a closer look. So again, Canada, United States, Mexico. Down here is Central America, and then South America, which you can't see. And then this one says USA. I wonder what state that could be that's next to Canada. If you remember correctly, it is Alaska because Alaska is outside of the United States. Now, let's take a look at our beautiful United States map. Look at all these states, 50 states. And of course, we have our two beauties outside, which is Alaska and Hawaii. Remember that we have 50 states. Yes, guys, 50. Every state has a capital. So there are 50 capitals. Yes. And notice how we can also see oceans on the map. And remember, here's a star. That is the nation's capital. The nation, meaning the whole United States, has the one capital, Washington, D.C. Don't confuse it with Washington State. All right, guys, I hope you learned some information. See you soon. Go to the next slide and answer the questions. Bye-bye.